In the United Kingdom, there are millions of people working hard every day to earn a living. However, not everyone is paid the same amount for their work. In fact, there is a minimum salary requirement that employers must abide by, known as the UK Minimum Salary for Skilled Workers. This minimum salary requirement was put in place to ensure that workers are paid a fair wage for their skills and experience. The minimum salary for skilled workers is based on a number of factors, including the type of job, the level of experience required, and the location of the job. For example, if you are a skilled construction worker in London, the minimum salary you can be paid is £10.85 per hour. If you are a skilled worker in the hospitality industry, such as a chef or a waiter, the minimum salary is £8.91 per hour. This minimum salary requirement also applies to workers in the manufacturing industry, with a minimum of £10.50 per hour for skilled workers. And for skilled workers in the tech industry, the minimum salary is £10.50 per hour. This is to ensure that these highly skilled workers are paid a fair wage for their valuable contributions to the industry. It's important to note that these minimum salaries are just that, the minimum. Employers can and should pay their skilled workers more if their skills and experience warrant a higher wage. So, if you're a skilled worker looking to work in the UK, rest assured that the minimum salary requirement ensures that you will be paid a fair wage for your services. How we can help? CGM App is an end-to-end immigration app, designed to make the immigration and global mobility process more seamless and compliant, specifically for expats, sponsoring companies, and immigration consultants globally. Visit cgmpartners.org.uk/register for more information.